2015 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It brings drivers and passengers many levels of convenience with its side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats, tinted windows. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.